We're working on a brand new Rheem Performance Platinum. We installed this thing on Friday. The customer supplied the unit, and the customer called today, this morning, Monday, and said, "Hey, there's water on the ground." So we seen the water down there, and then I noticed there was a dribble of water coming right down here between the gas control valve and the tank. So I just disconnected everything on the control valve, and this is how loose this thing is in the tank. I didn't do anything to this. This is how bad it was. So we'll see what's going on in there in a minute. Alright, so we can see the threads are barely even screwed in. That thread tape that was on there wasn't even really affected. It looks like they only had it in about one or two threads. So we're going to try to dope it up and do it right. Alright, we're all doped up and ready to go in. Alright, unit's now installed, and we're going to fill her up. Unit is now full of water, and we have no leaks there. Time to turn it on.